Hi everyone and welcome to the Brilliant Little Backyard. Today I'm going to show you the grafted tomatoes. We are now end of autumns. We're starting winter time. The temperature is very low during night, like around 4 to 5 degrees Celsius. All the tomatoes on the other side almost died. This one grafted tomatoes on the devil plants, and I can see it's still growing, still ripening, and there's plenty of fruit on them. I'm going to show you now all around this grafted tomatoes, and I will show you the difference between them and the tomatoes that's not grafted, and the effect of the cold temperature on the tomatoes. So that's the ox heart tomatoes grafted on the devil plant. There's two of them here, and this one is the Roma tomato graft. This one, that's the Roma tomatoes, and this one from the ox heart on the other side, because they're too heavy. That's the ox heart, but this is the Roma. We can see there's plenty of fruit on all of them. The ox heart is growing really very high, and they're producing a lot. This one is the beefsteak. It's too high, and the cold weather is affecting. It's the leaves a bit drying, and I'm not sure what's going to happen. We'll see. I will keep it all through winter to see the effect. This one, another Roma tomato graft here, and it's underneath the beefsteak, so it's a bit protected by the beefsteak on top. The beefsteak is drying out actually, but the Roma tomato still green. This is the black cherry tomatoes. Again, it's not bad for winter time. Underneath this plastic is the eggplant graft. I covered them to protect them from cold weather. The eggplant does not tolerate cold weather the same way as the tomatoes. And that's the original plant, the devil plant. Even this graft, the chili graft, still green. I'm not sure. I will see if it can survive the winter. And now I'm going to take you to the other side of the house where there's non-grafted tomatoes, and I'll show you the effect of the cold weather on those tomatoes. This is the beefsteak tomatoes that's non-grafted. The effect of the cold weather, obvious, it's dying. So I'm going to remove them in the next couple of days. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I really appreciate all your support, and I will see you soon in the next video. Bye for now.